Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Ida. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys this review and installation of this beautiful kinky straight wig from Tinashe Hair. This is what it looks like straight from the package. It is beautiful. It's very soft at the touch. It has really nice texture. All I did was co-wash it and I let it air dry overnight. And I just want to show you guys how natural it looks at the front with some baby hairs and the bleached knots. So if you guys are interested, stay tuned. So this wig is so beautiful. I have not done anything at all to it. The only minor thing I did was I did put a little bit of concealer on the parting here. And this parting already naturally came with the wig, so I just kind of kept with it. But you can definitely change any parting you want. It's a lace front wig. So I did get a hot comb. I haven't used one of these in years. Are you guys seeing a difference? I don't know if I am. Actually, I think I am. Ooh, okay. I see that it's sitting flatter on my head. Because sometimes these wigs can look a little bulky on the top of your head, and I already see it flattening down, which is very, very good. So this is what it looks like after me putting in the hot comb at the top. I feel like a Barbie or something. Like, this is such a beautiful wig. I'll show you guys, like, the actual wig. I might cut layers, but I'm not sure. I love the volume. I know maybe some of you guys might think it's too much, but I absolutely love the volume, love the length. I just love the movement of it. It's not like too stiff or anything like that, but it still looks very natural. It looks like really good quality. I don't know, it's very soft. I even love like the natural color to it. It has like a little bit of like brown highlights and lowlights to it, just kind of like my actual natural hair. I want to give you guys like a close-up shot of the texture. Like, look at this texture, it's so beautiful. Okay, you guys, this is what it looks like when I flat iron it, which I love so much. It just looks so natural. Like, it's not too silky where it looks super fake, but it's like a nice silk press on natural hair. The only thing is I do have to cornrow my hair properly underneath because I just actually did a couple of, I don't know, a twist out or braid out, and I just like kind of tied it in. So it's a little bulky because I have like an actual like ponytail and everything. I don't know how to cornrow, so I am gonna have to get someone to help me with that. Even though I did use a hot comb and a little bit of mousse and a little bit of a scarf, tied it down for like about 20 minutes to half an hour. So it does look really great. It's just that you have to make sure that you are secured flat underneath, because the flatter on the top, the more realistic. But let me know in the comments below, which one was your favorite. Did you like it when it was the blowout kinky texture, or do you like it when it's flat iron, or do you like both? And what I love about these type of wigs is that you can actually have both. If I want to go back to the other texture, all I have to do is just either spray it with water or just co-wash it, and it's super simple. It dries the next day. I might even put some curls into this and just use my curling wand and see how that looks as well. So it's gonna be fun to really play around with this wig, and it's gonna be a really good New Year's wig, so that I can just kind of give my own hair a break. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you guys like my video, go ahead and subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.